Hi, my name is Callum and I'm a Business Development Manager here at Channable. Welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your webshop with eBay using Channable's Direct API feature. This will get your products quickly and efficiently onto eBay and seen by more shoppers. In 7 steps, you're going to list your items on one of the most used marketplaces in the world. Let's dive straight into step number 1. Step 1, create an eBay and Channable account. To get started, you'll need to have an eBay seller's account in order to start selling your products. Next, you'll need to make a Channable account if you do not already have one. Let's log on to Channable and create a new project. You can name the project anything you like, but let's stick with your company name for now. Step 2, Setup. Next, head over to the Setup tab on the left-hand side of the control panel and click on Setup Import. Here you're given various options such as XML, CSV, or Google Spreadsheets. You can even directly plug in your Lightspeed, Magento, or Shopify store. In this case, we're going to use XML file. Select XML from the list, name it, then copy and paste the link of your XML document into the source bar and click Continue. Step 3, Edit Mapping. In the Edit Mapping tab, you'll see the fields that your products will be imported by. This will mostly be automatically done with the information provided by your import, but you can add more fields if necessary. Once you're satisfied with this section, head over to the Items tab to see if your items have been imported correctly. Step 4, Add API Connection. Now we're going to move to the API tab and begin the connection process. An API works differently to a feed as it's a live connection, so any changes will be updated automatically. Click on Add New Connection and from the options presented, select eBay. Give your API a name and then click on Connect with eBay. You'll be then prompted to sign into your eBay account to make that connection. Select ID as the unique ID per item and in which country you are selling, and then click Save. Step 5, Categorize your products. Once the connection has been made, scroll through the Categories tab and begin allocating your products to the correct categories. This process can take a few minutes, however it is important and will help your products be found in the right category. Once you've finished this step, head over to the Rules tab. Here you can create if-then statements. You can now add rules, which are a great way to save you time and organize your product feed. For example, rules can be used to add missing words in the product title or offer free shipping on selected items over a certain amount. Step 6, Build your eBay ads. In the Build tab, take the time to go through the next steps of item, price and shipping, and etc. If you get stuck, hover over the question marks, which will give you a specific example of what you need to fill in. Then click Save, and you're ready to head over to the Attribute tab at the top. Select a category and then fill in the tabs highlighted in red, as they are necessary. There's also tabs in white, which are optional, but they add more information to your product listing. Check back in the Rules tab if you need to optimize your product listing to eliminate any outstanding red fields. Once you're finished and the red sections are gone, you're good to go to the final step. Step 7, Activate your project. Brilliant, we're nearly done. This project is coming together nicely. Once you're satisfied with how everything is looking, we will need to get the API activated. To do this, we need to head back to the Setup tab. Once in the Setup tab, click on the project settings, head to the bottom and select Activate Project. Now that the project is active, you will need to run the API. To do this, head over to the API tab, select your API connection and click on Run Now. If there's any errors, you'll see this in the Results tab. And it will give you the information on how to solve them quickly so you can get your products online. Congratulations, you did it. You successfully listed your products on eBay and now on your way to selling to a larger audience. For tips on how to create a Google shopping feed, watch the following video. And don't forget to subscribe down below to get tips and tricks related to e-commerce, data feed management, and PPC marketing. Or if you're ready to go, sign up for a free trial account with a link in the description.